What's going on, guys? Trey Mathis from WiFi Today is July 11th, 2018. I'm in wonderful Brookville, Maryland. And this is the Wi-Fi Journal. So today has been pretty eventful in a number of different ways. Just finished up doing some personal development, if you will. Personal development is such a loose term thrown around. However, it's something I take very seriously. Taking time out to work on yourself, that's the only way you can grow, is through personal development. Where you are is where you are, and you're trying to get to another destination in your life or another level in your life, it's going to require you to develop yourself personally. So just finished listening to some Jim Rome, of course, talking about how profits are better than wages, which is my favorite, mainly because of the fact that as a Wi-Fi entrepreneur now in 2018, I still work a full-time 9-to-5 job. However, I'm able to simultaneously work on my fortune, continue to work on this brand here, spending time with you guys, which is funny. No one's even seen these videos yet, which is pretty remarkable. I've been pretty consistent with recording them, knowing that in the future some amazing things are definitely happening and will happen, that it's going to be a blessing to share this story with people. I'm actually, like I said before, I'm in Brookville, Maryland at my in-laws' house. We're hanging out here. My wife and I are hanging out here for the summer. While my in-laws are up in one of their other homes for the summer, so we're house sitting, which is pretty awesome because of the fact that we're staying in this beautiful home, 13-acre lot. Pretty sure pumpkin, that's pumpkin right there. Pretty sure you guys will see tons of videos on that, on the property, around the property throughout the summer. It was pretty remarkable, and I was thinking about it a little earlier today. I was here with my in-laws, and they asked me, what it is that I did when I first met them. And I was telling them, that, my passion is to become a motivational speaker one day, and more importantly, not only become a motivational speaker, but also inspire people to actually live their dreams, work on their passion into a way that they don't feel like they have to work a day in their life. If you're doing what you love, you never have to work a day in your life, and that's truly what we mean here at Wi-Fi Entrepreneur, turn your passion into profit. So here I am. We're here for the summer. I'm using this opportunity to, one, work on these videos, get more comfortable shooting more shots like this. If you guys are seeing this video, then hopefully you've seen some of the others in sequence. If not, I encourage you to subscribe if this is on YouTube, to watch the additional videos that come about as I share my story, rather, to help you improve your story and turn your passion into profit. So it really means a lot for me to have this opportunity. We're using the money that we're saving to invest in the business, saving a good deal of money, not moving out of DC. Since we moved out of DC, we're saving a big piece of penny right now, and so that's fantastic. So anyway, did some personal development, checking out Jim Rome, saving money, investing the money back into this opportunity, this opportunity that we're building on this summer. So it's absolutely fantastic. What else did we do today? In addition to working on, of course, the 9 to 5, that's all brought up to Jim Rohn. Profits are better than wages, because the wages of the 9 to 5, that's making enough income to provide for yourself, of course, enough money to provide for your family, and then from there, you know, doing something more than that. Usually people are just building up wages so that they can maintain the lights, maintain the bid, you know, the rent, etc. But when we're talking about profits are better than wages, is, you know, when you're able to have that 9 to 5 job where you're getting those wages, but also have the opportunity to take a few moments to work on your passion, and that passion produce for you some form of income, it generates for you some sort of income, then now you're working in profits, of course. So profits are better than wages. Nonetheless, we've been doing a lot of things today. For some reason, I'm really troubled about when I'll be able to show these videos, knowing that this time, this opportunity that I have may be challenged by some. You know, working a 9 to 5 job, people may see these videos as journaling and say, hey, you know, he was supposed to be working for us during that time. So that's why I'm really troubled about when I'll be able to show these videos, but I'm really encouraged to shoot these videos, because I know that, you know, it's gonna be a great story in the long run, because we're working each and every day, we're staying diligent, staying consistent, and these things can't help but pay off. We're down at the lake again, at the river again. Pumpkin's down there. Let's see if you can get a shot of her. There she is, down at the riverbed. Nonetheless, I love coming down here. It's so beautiful and peaceful. I feel like I hear some in the background. This is all, as you can see, our back's to a good forest reserve, so some good nothingness back there. My wife said the other day she saw a black panther, so it's that kind of black forest. So it's that kind of forest. So anyway, I'm troubled about when I'll be able to show this, but it's pretty interesting to know that, you know, again, here you go, you're working the wages angle, but at the same time now you're working the profits angle as well. So it's pretty exciting. I'm not going to keep you guys for too much longer. Try to keep these videos short, but I did want to catch up on some of the things that we've done. We did kick off a campaign to draw in more communication with who will one day be you guys for the Wi-Fi Entrepreneur brand, drawing more interest in on our Facebook pages, as well as to some of our key content. That's in the form of creating some guest posts, so some high-ranking guest posts that's going to generate some Google exposure and belief, so they'll share us more. Google will share us more with you guys, and also on Facebook, running some promotions to get our online certification looked at. So you guys are checking that out, our free online certification program. Free starter membership there is currently being shared, and also some promotion to get people notified of our Facebook page itself. There's Pumpkin again. Get them notified of our Facebook page itself, where we have some great content being shared there 3 times a day at minimum, sometimes up to 6 times a day. It's great content that you guys, I'm sure, are enjoying, because I'm enjoying looking at it myself. And that's through one of our outsourced team members, which is very important, having a good working team with you. And and we'll talk more about the working team in the coming days. But all in all, man, this has been fantastic. This video has been fantastic. I'm happy to be shooting a video for the Wi-Fi Journal. We will be shooting more videos like this, sharing with you guys some tips and ideas on how you can turn your passion into profits. But if this is your first time landing on one of these videos, depending on what platform this is being shared on, you can either click the link at the top or at the bottom for information on how you can join our online community and how you too can turn your passion into profit. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and sign off. Enjoy this wonderful, beautiful day with my wonderful pup. Talk to you guys again real soon. Peace.